How to show a CapCut project in mobile. Let's get started. Launch your CapCut. You'll land this kind of page. Now I can go ahead and click on new project and edit the video to shore, or also what you can do is select any of the video from the existing one. For instance, I'm going to select the existing project. After you open it, now you can make changes, and at the top right corner you're going to see this arrow icon. Click on it. With that, it's in the process to be exported. You have to wait for a few seconds. After it has been exported, here you're going to find different options to show your project. You can share your project to TikTok, like with Instagram stories, WhatsApp, Facebook. Clicking on the option of other, you're going to get more options. Like in your job, you can send it through the message. You can share in different platforms given over here. Just go ahead and select any of the platform where you want to share your CapCut project. So this way you can easily share a CapCut project in mobile. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.